All right, we got Michelob Ultra Infusions. This is a lime and prickly pear cactus. Apparently, it was a thing a while back, and then they quit making it. I think for a while, brought it back. My buddy at work, who's given us a beer before, Oscar, gave us this to review. So I'm just wanting to give him a shout out real quick. All right, it's 4.0% alcohol by volume. Made by Anheuser-Busch, so let's give it a shot. I guess almost the first for me.
I remember when Michelob was like premium beer, you know, back in the 80s.
Oh yeah, as you can see the color.
Yeah.
You don't really need to explain it. It smells very sweet, fruity. I like cactus.
It's got
juice.
even more lime aroma than I remember. Limey and kind of refreshing.
Tastes like a 7-Up or a Sprite or something.
Boy.
I like that.
Yeah. I could drink a million of
Oh
those
yeah,
fuckers.
absolutely.
And then it gives way to beer flavor though.
It does.
Like
yeah,
it starts
at the
off
very
kind of
end.
limey and then gets yeah.
Yeah, it's like a Sprite turned into a beer.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
It's almost, yeah, no shit, dude. It's almost like a seltzer a little bit.
in a way,
Not
yeah.
quite as dry at the end, you know, but
Boy, this can go with anything.
I agree with that. God,
Burgers and fries and
4 point what percent?
Oh,
4.0.
it's hardly
Wow.
nothing. Yeah.
If it wasn't so goddamn fucking expensive,
Yeah.
this would be
I've seen the price.
this
of these, and
would
I'm
be
like,
the
man.
new. I'm gonna have a million of them.
Yeah.
You know. That's where it goes sideways already.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Fucking review 4, and shit's like out of control already.
Oh, this is 5, isn't it?
I don't know, but we're at 3:14.
We didn't know what review we're on. Well, we're having a good trip so far. Anyway, yeah, this would go great with barbecue foods like sandwiches. More of these.
Well, and yeah,
Like,
yeah, this would be good with lighter stuff,
oh yeah.
fruits. But we were talking like with the polliner, you know, this would be really good with the same kind of vegetable fettuccine, you know, fresh
Right.
tomato type of
Yeah.
stuff, or you know, some roasted garlic and fresh tomato and vermicelli or something. It would be the same kind of thing. Would be good. with
Right.
this.
This would go good with like egg rolls, spring rolls type of thing. Some of the Asian
Hell yes.
cuisines, you know, the lettuce wraps. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, with some grilled chicken or
Sushi.
something in there.
Sushi.
Hell yeah, spicy
Yeah.
tuna with some of this. Oh
Some
baby.
eel,
Yeah, or
fucking-
sandmin skin roll or
Yep,
something. A little
absolutely.
bit. Yeah.
Also pub burgers or fries and like
Simple stuff would
anything.
be good
Like
too.
sandwiches, cold cut sandwiches. Like this is a very versatile beer. Like
It is, you know, and for being 95 calories and so low in alcohol, it's
yeah.
got a ton of flavor.
Oh yeah.
Not just the lime though either. You get some of that maltiness at the end.
And you that watch your calories and stuff. You can have multiples of these along with some good foods and So
Yeah, I appreciate beers that are low in alcohol. I really do.
yeah.
You know,
I mean,
we drink every kind of beer.
yeah.
Some of them are 11%.
Yep.
Some of them are 4. You know, but I truly appreciate a beer that has some flavor to it. That's you're not gonna knock you on your ass.
Right.
You know, and I could drink several of these out in the sun, enjoying myself, and you know,
Oh,
not
yeah.
fall down and.
This would be a good sunny weather type of situation.
Well,
so.
well, thanks to Oscar,
Yeah, Oscar, thanks again.
and happy birthday, man.
Yeah, thanks. Fuck yeah.